Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. If you're an old girl, hey girl. Hey, it's not only girls here, so hi everyone. Well, today I'm doing a table setting for Christmas or whatever occasion it is that you want to just set your table up. And I want to show you how I did this beautiful napkin ring thing. It's just easy to do. So I've done all of them, but I left one so that I can show you how I did it. It's easy. Let me sit here and then. So first of all, I picked this bowl up from Poundland. It's two in a pack. So I pick a white, like silver one, and I pick a red one because that's the theme I'm doing. Gold and silver and things like that. So, okay, I just open. There's this in it already when you buy it. Don't take it out because that's what I'm going to use to wrap the ring. So I just position it where you want it to be. Like so that you just put this in here and bring one of that around there. And wrap it around the ring. So if you wrap it around the ring, it will hold that one on. But if you have a glue and you want to glue it on, that is up to you. But I don't want to glue it because I will use the ring for something else. So if I glue it, that means it's stuck with it. I have to bring it out every Christmas like that. But sometimes maybe I don't want it that way. So you just pick your ring, hold it in the middle like so. Put it in between there. And voila! There you have your table, your napkin done nicely with the bow on it, making it look very nice and posh, but it's so easy to do. So if you go to Poundland, you can just grab yourself some bowls. It's £1 in 2 of them, then you can get it done. So now that is done, let's set the table up. First of all, I'm going to do the table, the middle. So I position my candle stands here and there. Then I put this Christmas tree here and another one there. I don't want it to be the same because I'm going to put something in between there. Just a little one here. So I'm thinking to put this here because you can put something on it to the Merry Christmas sign here. Is it right way? Because this sign can go wrong. Alright, let's place the Merry Christmas sign in between. And what I'm going to do is I've got some fairy lights here that I need to get battery for them. This is fig leaf. To have these tiny reindeers. I don't know. Okay, come in. So you put this around the table to make it look beautiful. Let's go this way to end it here. And let's hide this battery thing at the back somewhere. So you just hide it there, and you've got your centerpiece here. I think you have something nice. You can just put it in between, just to give it a little something. That's it. Now,
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
just give it a
Yeah,
little.
let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
And now let's place our tables on it,
Christmas times.
because this table has got only 4
Having a
chairs.
good
I'm
time.
doing only 4, so I'm putting this in.
All the windows in the rain.
I picked this up from,
It will always be Christmas.
I think, Asda about 2 years ago. They still do have some, so if you want
Hang out with my friends
one, you
and
can just go to Asda. They have them in Townland, do some to B&M. All those shops you can get one.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's
So,
go to the ocean.
second,
Yeah, let's go
take
outside.
this up first.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows
This is
in the
set
rain
from
is pouring. It will always be Christmas
very
in my heart.
quite a while.
This year,
About 30 pieces. So I've got a lot of them. So if you are looking for dinner sets, you can check them.
And I
Now
can
I've done it
promise
this way.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Guys, I like this
Sunset
thing,
is
but
just getting better.
unfortunately I have only 2. So what I do is I put them
In blue.
in only 2 of them.
That's what we do.
Because I found it in B&M, but it was only 2.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas
You want
in
rain
my
and
heart.
summer.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. Okay.
Right here.
Come on.
Oh, I'm loving this one because at least it has something to drop in it. So it's not right inside.
All night long, we're gonna dance, dance, and have a
Let's swap
good
this
time.
one.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this
Make
song.
this come here.
Doesn't matter if
So at least it goes like the red and the silver.
all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my
Beautiful.
heart.
So,
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
I want the ball to be straight, nothing is wrong. It's just
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
nice. So guys, there we have it. So beautiful, simple, but nice. I need to go and get candle from Asda so that I can put them in those candle holders. So this is how it is. So nice. I love those glasses. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it like I am loving it. If you go to Poundland, you can get yourself some ball and learn how to just put them around your nappy rings. And I hope everyone is doing well and keeping safe. Please, please, please do me a favor. Corona is still out there, so protect yourself. And everyone, God bless you all. See you in my next video. I think I have a video about how I set up the hot chocolate area. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll upload that one so you will see how I did the hot chocolate area. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Bye.